Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. Hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create projects for you and I'm going to be using some decorative items from the Dollar Tree like this tool. Now in my last video I used this pink tool which is really beautiful. It has pink glitter in it or on it. And so today I'm going to be using this deeper fuchsia colored pink tool and that has pink glitter on it as well. And I also have this, I think this is like a greenish, light greenish, grayish color glitter that has silver glitter on it. But anyway, I'm going to be using the deeper pink colored one. It's so pretty. I do think a lot of the glitter has fallen off of it. I think I'm going to shake a little bit more glitter onto this after I apply the tool. So what I'm going to do is cut out enough tulle to go around this small vase. And then I'm going to use this same tool to decorate another vase from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I'm going to get started. So right here I have a black cup. It has a little bit of water in it. And I'm going to be using my paintbrush today to spread the glue around. So the glue I'm using today, of course, is my tried and true Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue. And no, it's not sponsored. But I just love the Aleene's brand of glue because it's non-toxic and it works well. I'm going to squeeze some of that glue onto the vase. And then I'm going to spread it out with a little bit of water. Alright guys, I want to jump in and just say thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate it and I appreciate you. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to shake a little bit of this glitter on top of the tool. The glue is going to help it stick, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on just to add some of that glitter back that we lost. After that, I'm going to allow this to dry, and I'm going to wrap it up in 2 silicone type mats, and that's going to hold the tulle onto the vase. Because the vase is round like a bowl, the tulle is trying to lift. So I'm going to use these 2 non-stick silicone mats. It's going to help the tulle adhere to the vase. I'm going to put a rubber band around it, and I'm going to allow it to dry just like this. I'm going to use another Dollar Tree vase and do the exact same thing. So I'm not going to show that process on screen. I'm going to do that off screen. So it's been about 4 hours later, and our vase is completely dry and it looks really great. I do have some of the tulle hanging over the top and the bottom, so I'm going to cut that away using my thread cutters. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this sequin on a string. I'm going to create 2 rows. So now that that's done, I love the way that looks. I'm going to hot glue this beautiful fuchsia and silver brooch to the front of the vase. I love the way the sequin looks as a trim on the top and the bottom. And I'm going to show you the second one that I made off screen. Exactly the same method. They both came out so beautifully. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, for clicking on the video and spending some time with me. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.